We are at Secrets Vallarta Bay, and this is a junior suite ocean view with a king-size bed. 90% of the rooms at this property and the Dreams property are ocean view. The entire resort is facing the ocean, and the rooms that don't necessarily have an ocean view would be the ones located on first floor. This is a full resort view with the ocean, beautiful ocean on the background. And as you can see on that side, the first floor rooms are the ones that have swim outs. Therefore, they don't have necessarily that ocean view. Right now, this is in the Secrets resort, Secrets side, just because Dreams and Secrets are one next to the other. You have here a tub in the room, a lot of mirrors, and if you want to keep it private, you have these curtains. The color scheme changes a bit from Dreams to Secrets. Here you have all the amenities, the bathroom, and a rain shower. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, holaweddings.com.